Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to find ZKC or Boundless wallet address on Binance, so you can transfer your Boundless to Binance from another wallet. So it's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here, and then as you can see there is advanced here. You can click it, and then you can choose on-chain deposit, and then on the search box here you can search ZKC, and this one you can click it, and there are two options, two network. You can choose BNB Smart Chain or Ethereum. For this one I will choose BNB Smart Chain because it's cheaper and faster. And this is your ZKC wallet address on Binance, so you can copy it or scan it, and then you can transfer your token from other wallets to Binance and you can trade the token. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.